Yeah, Amit, I've just started the recording.
Perfect. The screen is visible to everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shajal Srivastava, CEO Guest. I like to introduce my team. Prakash Mani Awasthi, our CTO, Prajwal Shukla, our CMO, and Rohan Jaswal, our CFO. People who usually travel from one city to another city face a common problem of finding a place to stay. So we guys came up with a solution. Like we have built an platform that connects owner and the customer. The channels we are using for it is an Android app and our website. Current Next slide. Currently, we are providing three services. First, room facility. Second, food. And third, other essential things like laundries, bikes, rental bikes, and cars. Uh, from service one, we are assuming a total annual sale of 1,27,000, which is about 34% of the total sale. And from service 2 and service 3, we are assuming a total sale of 1,20,000 each, which is about 33% of the total sale. The total annual sale is about 3,67,000 rupees for the year 2020. Now Rohan will tell you further. Over to you, Rohan.
Prakash, can you please change the slide first?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm Rohan Jaswal, and I'm going to talk about something about the financial. So basically, we are targeting. Actually, we are having three salesperson. We will and which will be targeting the amount of 8,000 rupees per month clients from clients. So in the first month, all three will be bringing 8,000 separately, and throughout the year, the money which will be bringing in the which will they will be bringing them by the clients will differ. So throughout the year, all three salesperson will come up of about will come up about this will bring up the amount of money to about what we'll say about 3,67,000, and this is the graph according to which they will be bringing the clients or the money, we will say. Prakash, can you please change the slide? Now, for setting up the business, we have some amount which we have to use. So this is in the left graph, in left pie chart, we will be seeing that 5,000 is for other startup costs, and 8,000 rupees will be for licensing, and then 23,000 rupees will be 2,300 rupees we will be spending for website related issues and services, and then we'll be spending about 7,000 for business registration fees and 8,000 for consultation fees. Now, for starting the operation, we require certain amount of money for that too. And for that, for marketing and promotional cost, we will requiring about 5,000 rupees. And for stationery and offices supply, we will be requiring about 2,500 rupees. And for working capital, we will be requiring about 8,000 rupees. Prakash, please change the slide. Now, overall startup capital is about 45,800, in which 26,000 will be of equity and 19,800 will be of debt. So this is the pie chart which we have, which easily is visible to all of you. Prakash, please change the slide. Now for funding is the necessary component for every startup, and with no exceptions, and that's true. The stage which we are in, we will be in the initial stage, we will say. So for that purpose, we will be using funding as a bootstrapping, and then we will be going for rental facilities and accommodation providers. From that, we will be earning, and then from colleges and private or government bodies, as they will be also providing us some funding. Now, further, it will be explained to you by my colleague. Prakash, change the slide. Prakash, yeah.
Hello everyone, a very warm good morning to all of you. This is Prajwal Shukla, the CMO of Guest. Hello, I would like to tell you about our branding and channel strategies. Branding. Branding is not just important because it connects your customer consumer to set a memorable aspiration, but also allows your customers and clients to compare your venture with other ventures, and also to allow them what to expect from you. Branding. Branding is an important tool which helps your venture grow. I would be telling you what I would be doing as my job to help my venture grow with my branding strategies. I'll be using segmented email marketing to engage and re-engage our users. We would be running digital marketing campaigns on social media, and even we have our Instagram account created. Subtle mentions of our venture at education institutions and corporate workplace would be there. I would be using affiliate marketing once we reach the break-even point, as it requires a hell lot of money. We'll be initiating our marketing operations as soon as we initiate our operations of our venture. And that's all for now. Thank you for listening. And now I call Prakash to take over.
Hello everyone, I am Prakash, the CTO of Startup Guest. Let me start with our Bullseye framework, which involves the channels like search engine optimization, social and display ads. We will also be using search engine marketing and content marketing as to create awareness, as well as to like get more customer base, as we are targeting a lot in this year. This is our site which we'll be using as the interaction for the businesses, the accommodation services, and the customers. The customers will be able to see various directories in which the services are available. Like if I want to rent a place in Shankaracharya, our site will display all the PGs and rental services available in that area according to their rents. And this site will also be used as a connection, like our customers and our business can interact over this site. And for the different technologies that we'll be using, as the social media and web apps like WhatsApp are very popular nowadays, and everyone is quite accustomed to using them, we'll be using Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram for connecting with our customers. Our customer not just only involves the people, the tenants, but also involves the businesses which want to rent their services. We will be using Facebook, Instagram, etc. for connecting with them too. For the payment, we will be providing two types of services: the online banking services like RuPay, SBI, etc. We will also be using Paytm and GPay, as more of the people are shifting towards that nowadays. For creating awareness and promotion and interaction, we will also be using Quora and Pinterest for solving, as we can post many questions, queries, etc. in Quora, and we will be happy to answer them. In Pinterest, we will be posting all the available photos of the rental services that we'll be providing. Now, let me give the beacon to Prajwal for the part of team commitment. Thank you.
Hello, I would like to tell you about our balanced team here at Guest. Here at Guest, we are a team of 4 members. And as we are engineering undergraduate students, everyone is capable enough to perform some mutual tasks. But now here I would be listing some specialization domains of each and every member. Talking about our CEO, Shri Srivastava, I would like to tell you that Shajal is good at public relations, having great leadership skills, good at team management, and skilled at web development and Node.js. He is the guy who initiated the operation while we were creating a website. Talking about our CTO, Prakash Manivasti, Prakash is skilled at Android web development. Prakash is skilled at database management. He is a good public speaker and undoubtedly a great team manager. Talking about Rohan Jaswal, our CEO, our CFO. Rohan Jaswal is Reotech, and he is skilled over finances. And I strongly believe that he would be completing all of his tasks beautifully. Talking about myself, I am Prajwal Shukla, who will be working as a CMO. As for my other teammates, I'm very skilled at digital marketing, great at relations, and building networks. And once we start our venture, once we initiate operations, we would like to turn this practice venture into a real startup. Thank you.